Awee! Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So this video is sponsored by Offer Clothing Shillong. Thank you so much. This is custom made. I'm gonna leave their link under the description below. I would love you guys to go check their their brand, their clothes. It's awesome. So thank you so much, OFAC, for sponsoring this video. And I would like to give a shout out to Martin Luther Christian University for having me as a resource person. Thank you so much. God bless you all. And with further ado, I want to also give a post notification shout out, which goes to 3 people this time. That goes to Yufika, Dolphy Creme, and Totonics. Sorry if I have pronounced those names wrong, but congratulations to you guys. You guys are so positive. Thank you so much for the love and support. So with further ado, before you watch this video, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button with that bell icon for further notification for those people who are new. And with further ado, like I've said, let's not take much of your time. Let's have a look in this vlog. And it is the best speech and the best interaction ever in my life. See you guys in a bit. Peace.
See you on TV, sunset shit done changed. Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was young, they said I will be happy.
Some of you may have known him already, some of you may have seen him, okay? So he is here to share regarding YouTube and how to use YouTube as a tool for production.
Okay, so you know Mr. Liza Bare, here we have Mr. Liza Bare. How many of you have seen his vlog? Quite a number of viewers there. Which we all are in. How many is a subscriber?
Oh, okay, nice. Thank you guys.
Alright, so we are all included in the 2,37,934 viewers.
What's up, guys? Yo! Away! Okay. That's what I like it. Anyway, we're gonna do that one more time when I finish all of this. Anyway, so first of all, it's an honor and a privilege to be here, to get an opportunity to talk to you guys. I don't know what dance is this? 1 million views. That's like, you know what I mean? So you have to you can't compete with people like that. If you compete with people like that, that means you're dumber than him. You're not gonna. Imagine he's dancing. Okay, 1 step, 2 step, and then and then you're gonna go and overcome by doing. I mean, that looks dumber than this, you know. So do your own thing. Just don't compete with anyone else. Like when I did a few pranks, it went well, nice. Okay, I did it to people who are not cussy. Okay, I'm not degrading or I'm not putting them down. I like my own people. They're nice. They're very soft-spoken. They are all good. It's just that we can't do things with them because why? I went and I started pranking this cussy guy. Okay, he was with, I don't know whether it's a real chick or a side chick. I don't know. But so I went and then I went and I was like, I stood near him like this. I was like, bro. He's like, yeah. Did you give the money yesterday? Yeah. What money? And like in Kasi, okay. Then I was like, it was you. I told you to give the money. You were wearing a cap. I told you to give it to that guy. Where? No, not me, bro, not me. Like, no, it was you. I told you to stand in the front, but then you disappeared. Why did you disappear yesterday? Bro, it's not me. It's not you. Like, no. Then I look at him. Oh, sorry, bro, I made a mistake. Then I went. I came back. I was like, bro, I'm really sorry, bro. I was doing this thing called prank. From a very naive, soft-spoken guy, like, before he's like, yeah. When I said it was a prank, ke Elia. So ready, like, you know, to hit me or something. I'm like, bro, like, I'll just censor your face and I'll put it. He pushed the chick like behind him, like, what you like, I'm sorry with my words. It's I don't know, I just do crazy things that people, some of you might like it, some of you might not. That is YouTube. You put your content out there, don't expect that only the people who likes you will watch your videos. The whole world's gonna watch and 90% are not gonna like your videos. 90% are not gonna like your videos. Only the ones who knows what you're trying to do, then 10% will know, okay, this is the type of content that we want to watch. The rest, example, right now what I'm doing, I believe like, what am I supposed to do? Right now here I'm gonna talk in Khasi. Most of you guys don't understand Khasi. Yes. Right? So, like, like, this is a Khasi channel, but you're talking in some other language. What am I supposed to do? Like, I'm not gonna let my videos be seen only till Nongpo and that's done. That's it. My life is done, man. Dreams. That have killed many dreams. So I've cut down that thing which says, what will people say? I don't care, man. It's my life. I'm not doing anything to harm the society. And I'm gonna put it out there. And it's scary. All you gotta do is make a Google account and then sign into YouTube channel and then there. That's it. Just sign in, there's your channel. What you have to do right now is that you can jot down these things, okay? First is what have been going on in your life. You know what I mean? There's so much going on in your life. Make that as a very strong thing for you. And then that is called a plan. This is something that have happened in my life. I'm gonna make it like this. That is a plan. And then you form it into a content. For people like us who have to slog and struggle every day, we're not gonna shoot like this. We have to like be patient with life. Like whatever you're doing, guys, whatever you're doing, whether you're writing songs, whether you're playing an instrument, whether you're singing, you have to be patient. Like take it slow. And one day when it hits you, you'll be like, I can't go here, I can't go there. So many people calling me, you know, all of those things are gonna excite you. Feel blessed about your life and make sure that you don't give up in life. Do what you love. Keep doing it, just keep doing it, just keep pushing it, you will get there. Don't give up easily. Nothing comes the easy way. So yeah, that's pretty much. Thank you so much. Alright guys, this is Martin Luther University. Thank you so much for inviting me. And with this, we're all gonna say 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys are amazing. Have a good day and God bless you all.